Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's your truly Ian Pius. I'm back again, guys. I know it's been quite some time, but I'm back again in YouTube. I've been out of YouTube because the market was kind of not aligned with my strategy, so I had just to step out for some time, give the market space. But I'm back. My favorite pairs, they're about to start trending, so I want to show you guys something of my favorite pairs. So, without any more wasting of time, let's go straight to this video. So first and foremost, I'm having NZUSD. It's over. Yeah, I'm having NZUSD right here. NZUSD, it's been kind of consolidating for quite some time now, and this is a weekly time frame for NZUSD. As you could see right now, after a lot of consolidation of NZUSD, it has already given us some direction here. Have you seen this bullish, this bearish engulfing candlestick in a weekly time frame? This shows us this market is trying to show us something. Not only this breakout of the bearish engulfing, but also the market has made for us a double top. A double top, you see here, when the market came and made higher highs here, then the market came and make at the same high. So after it finishing, the market just broke out of the pattern. So this pattern has already been created, and all I'm waiting for is pretty much simple, for the market to come back to the 50% fib of this all entire bullish of all this entire bearish engulfing candlestick in the weekly time frame. So what I have to do, I go into a daily time frame, and this is how my daily time frame looks. So now, if you could see now, this look quite much more clear. The market has broken my trend line, as you can see, with also a breakout of bullish, with also a breakout of bearish engulfing candlestick in a daily time frame. So this has given us this trade. It's now pointing to the bearish direction. It's pointing to the downward side direction. So what I can do is pretty much simple. I get my Fibonacci from a swing high to the swing low right here, and this is where my Fibonacci is. This yellow bar is where my 55th is. So after I went up, caught now my place of Fibonacci. Let me first take it out. I always go and enter my trade from the 4 hour or 1 hour, but most I like using 4 hour. It's now pretty much simple. I've drawn my zone here. All I'm waiting for is for the market to come and just tap here and then break out with, and then pull out of this yellow zone with a bearish engulfing 4 hour candlestick. That when I will come and get into this trade. So all I want for the market just to come here, give us a bearish engulfing in a 4 hour. That's when I will enter this trade. And my first TP, my first TP is always gonna be here 100%. When the market take this zone, then this is where my second TP is gonna be. So this just for the NZUSD. This is what I'm saying out of NZUSD. What I'm planning to do if only the market did what I said, because the market can just easily break out of this yellow zone and then continue going to the upside. We don't know what might happen, but this is my plan for this bearish trade, guys. This for the NZUSD. The second trade that I have is a GBPAUD. GBPAUD, it's been also going down for quite some time now, and we have got a breakthrough out of this. We've really now got a breakout of this zone here. So the market is trying to pull to the upside. The long-term trend is still bearish, guys. This is what you have to understand. This trend is still bearish. The trend haven't changed to the bullish. you could see this trend is still bearish. Anything can still happen, but this is what I'm planning to do for GBPAUD. It's pretty much simple. As you could see, this is where the market came and took some time before breaking out of. So if this market is to continue going to the upside, the market have to first also come and retest here once more before going to the upside. So all I'm waiting for, and this also applies for the 55th Fibonacci. If I'm to put from the swing low to the swing high, this is where my 55th has got. This is where my 55th is. Let me take it out. So this is just for the GBPAUD. I wanted to come here, retest here with the bullish engulfing 4 hour, then I will jump into this trade. My first TP always going to be at 100% here. Then the rest of the profit, I will take it all out of here, because the reason I'm gonna take all my profits from here, if I'm to come to a weekly time frame, this zone looks pretty much strong. This supply zone looks very strong. Then the market can easily just come and tap on it and then continue going to the downside. So if the market gets here, I will take all of my profits. And this only gonna happen if this market did what I said, guys. And this for the GBPAUD. Yeah, GBPAUD. That's what I'm seeing, more bullish in some days to come. More bullish in some days to come. So this is just for GBPAUD. Let's go and see. Yeah, also Euro AUD, man, Euro NZ. Euro NZ has also come and made for us the same low, and now I've broken out of this. I've pulled out of this zone, and right now we are pointing to the upside. The market has failed to break down, and the market has also given us a bullish engulfing weekly candlestick. So my overall prime target for Euro NZ is up to here. The only thing I'm waiting for Euro NZ is pretty much simple. It's for it to break out of this yellow bar above here. Here we could see that this market is trying to form head and shoulder. If you say this is the head, a shoulder is this side, and a shoulder, another shoulder is this side. So the only way I'm gonna trade this market is for it to break out of this zone above here, come retest it, then I will be trading the pullback all the way to the prime target somewhere here. This is just for the Euro NZ. This is what I'm seeing the next coming few weeks. If Euro NZ doesn't flop, doesn't break here, and then it breaks above here, I'll trade it all the way to overall prime target here at 2.0309. So this for Euro NZ. And also I'm having another trade in CHFJPY. I've taken this trade some days back, and now my first TP has already been hit. I was able to take this trade. It was pretty much simple. After when you see this market came and failed to break higher above here, and the market gave us a bearish engulfing. The market also gave us a bearish engulfing, and the market broke for us our counter trend line. All I went was I just went to a 4 hour time frame. I just went after when the market breaks, I just went to a 4 hour time frame. Then I just pulled my Fibonacci from swing high to swing low. And as you could see, this is where my 55th is, and so I just came and placed my buy limit, my sell limit from here, my stop loss above the structure, and my TP was here. So this is how I was able to capitalize into this trade. And right now my first TP has already been touched. So I'm in the next coming few days, I'm waiting for this market to break below here, so I can be able to enter into more trades, so I can able to enter into more position. My prime target for this trade is to come all the way to here, guys, to come all the way to 198, 198. Yeah, it's all the way to come up to here, which at 198. So this just for the CHFJPY. If it breaks below, comes give me a pullback, that's when I'll wait for my confirmation, bearish engulfing, trade it all the way to here, then take all of my profits and wait until it breaks container below. So this for CHFJPY, and also I'm also expecting USD JPY to also drop in the next coming 2 to 3 weeks, but still I don't know where exactly it's going to start dropping from. I still don't know where exactly it's going to start dropping from. Right now, I'm just watching at USD JPY. I'm just watching at USD JPY very, very closely. I wanted at least to pull up to around 161.251, somewhere around here. 161.21, 161.251, somewhere around here. And that's when I'll be more interested in USD JPY. As for now, these are my few pairs that I'm looking up to. And also, yeah, these are just my few pairs that I'm looking up to in the next coming few days, what they will be able to do. Then I'll also come back and show you guys how I was able to take that trade and how far it has already gone. So thank you for today. This is my weekly focus for preparing for the next coming few weeks. So if this video gave you some good, if this video has given you something important, I urge you to go down there and tap into the subscribe button so that whenever I'm releasing any video, you'll be among the first people to watch this video, because this video is gonna be helpful for you, not only even after when this trade has happened, but also will be part of your learning purpose. And also this video, if I release it and you take like 2, 3, 5 weeks, you come and watch it later, by the time the market has already moved on and you won't be able to caught up with also the trade as well. So thank you and peace out. We'll catch up in the next subscription video. Peace out.